This is section 2.4 part 2, where we are still writing equations, but now we are going to write an equation when we're given slope and a point. So when you're given slope and a point, you want to make sure you're using point-slope form, because you have a point and you have a slope. So what is point-slope form? Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where the point that you get is represented by x1 comma y1. All right, you're going to be given a point, so the values of your ordered pair are going to go in the x1 and the y1. And then you're also given an m, this is your ordered pair, and you're also given an m, which we know is slope. So, in the first problem, we see m is -3, so that's our slope, and we have the ordered pair 5, -4, which is x1, y1. So remember, this takes the form x1, y1. So to start, I'm going to take the point-slope form and just rewrite it. So I've got y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. And I'm going to substitute the values of x1, y1 in, as well as slope. So my y1 is -4, so I have y minus -4 equals m, which is -3, times x minus x1, which is 5. So now I have an equation in point-slope form, and I'm going to want to simplify it and solve for y. I want my final answer to be in slope-intercept form. So I want my final answer to be in y equals mx plus b form. So I can see y minus -4 is like plus a positive, so this becomes y plus 4 is equal to, I'm going to distribute in the -3, so I've got -3x, and then -3 times -5 is positive 15. I'm almost there. I want y equals mx plus b, so I'm going to move over my 4. So subtract 4 from both sides. And the 4's cancel, so I have y equals -3x plus 11. That's your final answer, y equals mx plus b form. Second problem. All right, we've got an equation given to us. It's y equals -x plus 3, and then 2 comma 3. By giving you an equation in slope-intercept form, they're actually giving you the slope. All right, so we have a slope of -1, so it's the same thing as having m equals -1, and then the ordered pair 2 comma 3. So again, I'm going to start out with using my point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. Plug in the values, so remember this is x1 comma y1. My y1 takes a value of 3, so y minus 3 equals -1 times x minus 2. So I'm going to distribute in my -1, so I've got y minus 3 here equals -x plus 2, because -1 times x is -x, -1 times -2 is positive 2. And then lastly, isolate the y, so I'm going to move over the 3. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. And I get y equals -x plus 5. And that's the equation of my line that has a slope of -1 and passes through the point 2 comma 3.